Hi there. Today we will teach you to build a simple floor plan. First, create a new project. You can draw it yourself or upload CAD file or image. Choose Draw. Draw walls. Modify wall thickness. Drag or put precise length to draw walls. Or directly draw a room. Change wall thickness. Adjust floor height. Second, add doors and windows. Do more operations in the floating toolbar. Modify properties in the right panel. Put accurate value in the box. Edit the wall length to adjust the window's position. Third, rename your room. Switch to 3D to view more details. Now, try uploading an image to create a floor plan. Set scale. Adjust floor height. Or you can upload CAD files. The same operation. See you next time.